Hey, you guys. I am back with another video, and today we are going to be going to Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be showing you my top cleaning products to make your home smell absolutely amazing. So if that is something that interests you, make sure you keep on watching and hit that subscribe button. This channel is typically about hygiene, self-care, and lifestyle, and sometimes every now and again I'll do some cleaning videos for you guys because I know you guys love to see how I keep my home smelling good, as well as hygiene routine and shower routines as well. So all you have to do, if you want to become a part of the Sunny Squad, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your bell notification because I don't want you to miss another episode. And also, if you are following me on any of my other social platforms, even this one, let me know by hashtagging Sunny Squad and Two Sunshines, because I want you to sparkle your little sunshine everywhere you go. So anyway, let's jump right into it. So get ready, go to Dollar Tree with me. All right, and I wanted to give you guys some few tips when you're going to Dollar Tree before we get ready to go. It just came on my mind, but I wanted to give you some tips. So when you're in Dollar Tree, it's certain things that I go in there looking for. You can't just buy anything out of the Dollar Tree, especially when it's talking about cleaning. Some things are too strong. It may work, but it's too strong. It'll probably knock you out. And I'll show you some of those products as well. Also, keep in mind when you're going in the Dollar Tree, it is $1.50, well, $1.25. I think they've raised their prices. But anyway, keep in mind it is the dollar store. So you're not going to get some of your top of the lines that you would get at Walmart. And y'all comment below if y'all want me to do my top cleaning products from various stores that I shop at. But anyway, keep in mind you'll find some name brands in the Dollar Tree because Dollar Tree has come up, you guys. So don't just eliminate Dollar Tree altogether, because I'm gonna show you some products, honey. They work just as good as top name brands, and y'all know I love smell good, so I'm willing to try anything for $1. I always tell you guys, try out little stuff first before you spend your big bang money. That's with anything, cleaning supplies, house toiletries, whatever. If you're wanting to try something out, go to your Dollar Tree and see if they got a smaller version and try it out. That way, if you don't like it, you ain't got to have this big old bundle of stuff in your house and you're not using it. So let's head on over to Dollar Tree and let's just see some of the top products that I like to clean my house with. So keep on watching. All right, you guys, we are headed to the Dollar Tree. And like I said, I'm going to go ahead and show you some of my favorite stuff. So tag along with me. Come on in here with me. All right, so we're going to head on back to the cleaning section. I'm telling you, Dollar Tree is stepping their game up big time, you guys. Some of this stuff in here, I'll be like, okay, Dollar Tree, I see you, boo. I see you. I see you. So, yeah, I'm trying to go where it's not many people going because, you know, I don't want to get people on camera without their permission and stuff. So, but we heading right on back to the cleaning section, and y'all know Dollar Tree is trying to look like a little small mini Walmart. Say what now? But yeah, so the first thing I'm going to be going to is the dish detergent. They have Palmolive, they have Ajax. They used to have Dawn, but I didn't see any Dawn today. But my favorite one is the green Palmolive Ultra Strength. That's the one that I always like gravitate towards when I'm in here. If I need some detergent, I don't feel like going to Walmart. And then my other favorite one is lately is the Ajax Vinegar and Lime. Y'all know I love anything that got vinegar in it. So far I've been liking that one. But yeah, that is my favorite for the liquid detergent, dishwasher liquid. That's what I mean. And then my next favorite thing is these Renews-Its. I use these things all over my house, in the kitchen, in the bathroom. That's one of my favorite scents. And then the cashmere wood, I use that in my son's room and his bathroom. So it's really super, super good, and it smells good. And then a berry, you can't go wrong with a berry scent. That's one of my go-to. If you are looking for something to clean your tubs, that Brillo pads will get you right. I'm telling you, these little things are $1, but they work tremendously in the tubs and the sinks and stuff. Oh yeah. And then here's my favorite gem that I just stumbled upon. The Lime Away for your toilets. Oh, I cleaned it a few times over the last week or so, and that gunk be just falling off with that stuff. I've used it in my tub as well. I'm still working on the panel in my tub because it's just that brown stain, but Lime Away, it has a little scent to it, so you may have to put a mask on. And this little gem right here, believe it or not, this glass cleaner works wonders. And it's just $1, you guys. So if you got it, check it out. Stock up on it. It works wonders, you guys. And then, as you know, cleaning vinegar. I use this in the back of my toilets. And I'm going to do a cleaning hack for you guys on 15 cleaning hacks that I use around the house. And I'm telling you, vinegar is my go-to, you guys. Y'all should know that by now. But cleaning vinegar and just regular old plain vinegar is great for snuffing smells out of your house. And if you're trying to disinfect, always get spick and span, because it's nothing like cleaning with something that smells good but it's not disinfecting anything. So spick and span, the lemon fresh scent, is my favorite. And of course, my all-time favorite is Fabuloso if you want to mop and you want something that really smells good. Now, the yellow one smells like pee, so I wouldn't recommend that one. But Fabuloso, the purple one, the original one, the lavender one, and the apple one are my go-to favorites, especially when my money is funny and I don't feel like going to Walmart. Yeah, the passion fruit is really good. And I just saw this one, the orange one, has baking soda. I'm like, come through Dollar Tree, come on through. But yeah, that was pretty cool there. And then comment Ajax, comment below. If you old school, you know what Ajax and Comet is. If you need bleach, I always grab a thing of bleach here. And then look, the name brand, y'all know Suavitel fabric softener is my favorite. So they have some new Suavitel scents like lavender, the vanilla. Then they have a new one that I just saw the other day, the green one. The lavender smells good, the vanilla one, it smells good. But my all-time favorite, you guys, y'all already know my all-time favorite is the Suavitel Morning Sun. That's my favorite one, the yellow one. And like I said, for 18 sheets for $1, you can't beat that. Honey, you will not go wrong up in here. And if you missed my last video, I showed you that they have Gain boosters in here. The Gain softener fabric sauce. I got a big thing of that the other day. If you missed that video, I mean, you cannot go wrong. That Gain smells amazing. Then they have some Downy Unstoppables. Amazing. If you want your house to smell good, honey, y'all better check these out and stop trying to do stuff that you know is not within your budget. But like I said, you do what fits your budget. These little things, I mix them together and they smell really good. I'm going to show you guys some hacks that I do with those. But anyway, that is pretty much my video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video while I walk through. But if you need tissue, Scott's will get you right. 4 packs for $1, 4 rolls for $1. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the enjoy the rest of the shopping spree. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. I love you guys. Lately, I've been grabbing like 3 or 4 bags of these trash bags for the lawn. They works really good in your trash can, you guys. Very, very good. Y'all asked me about what I use to store my goods. The storage bin section has you covered. Yep, these little containers right here, very well for storing, you know, leftovers and all that good stuff.